Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, when I first came across this video clip that I'm about to play you, my first reaction was to laugh. So, and that was what I did laugh. So I'll play you the clip now, and then we'll come back and then we'll discuss it some more.
Hello everybody, my name is Chisom. Yeah, I'm a student of Intersex. I know for the past few days, or let me just say 2 days, it has been trending online, Insta blog, G-Trail, Yaba Left, that a lady proudly came out as an intersex. Yeah, intersex are real, we are real, and we are no more hiding. It's not the time of hiding, that we are deformed. Our sex organ is different for you guys. And anybody that is laughing at us or that is asking stupid questions, do they have dick, do they have this one? Then I would just advise you, pray to God. Pray to God so God will give you a child that is an intersex. Maybe by then you now I'm crossing the road. Maybe you now see for yourself how intersex looks like. Yeah, man.
So now, intersex is the term that we're having to conjure with. That's the new term now that is in play in Nigeria. So as I said, when I first came across this video, my first instinct was to laugh, and that was what I did. But then I went on to find out what exactly this intersex is. So I've gone to Wikipedia. It's probably not the best source of information, but that's just a quick snapshot of what something means. So this is what it says on our Wikipedia. Intersex people are individuals born with any of several variations in sex characteristics, including chromosomes, gonads, sex hormones, or genitals that are, according to the United Nations Office of the High Commissioner of Human Rights, do not fit with the typical definition of male or female. So that's really the summary of it. It goes on, such variations may involve genital ambiguity and combinations of chromosomes or genotypes and sexual phenotypes other than XY male or XX female. So really it's some sort of I'm trying to be careful with the wordings that I choose to use to express this, but it's some sort of amphibic. I don't know what quite the term is to describe. I don't want to be using terms like hermaphrodite and stuff like that, but it's quite an unusual thing. So intersexual people were previously referred to as hermaphrodites or congenital eunuchs. So that was in the 19th and the 20th century, and that was actually the literal medical definition of them, hermaphrodites or congenital eunuchs. So now this is a term now, so this is like a cross-gender type being. So this is not somebody that's done anything to enhance or remove from themselves. This is just somebody that's been born with all of the hormonal function and some of the equipment and accoutrements of male and female. So there you saw the girl now taking claim to that. So now let's just have a go back to see exactly who she is and what she's saying. So intersex is real, we are real, and we are not hiding, Intersex student says in a new video. So Chisom, a student of Intersex, has publicly revealed that she is intersex and stated that she and others like her will no longer live in hiding. She said she noticed that a lot of people are talking about intersex people after a lady came out online. Chisom, who is a DJ, said she is one of those who are intersex. She added that there are so many people like her, but they have been living their lives secretly. This, she said, is about to change. In a video shared online, she said, intersex is real. We are real and we are hiding no more. She added that they are not deformed and are simply that way because of nature. She continued, and anybody that is asking stupid questions, do they have dick, do they have this one, then I will just advise you, pray that, I don't want to use that word, pray that you will be given a child that is an intersex. Maybe you will now see for yourself how intersex looks. So then this then goes on to the definition that we've already just gone through. According to Wikipedia, intersex people are people born with several variations in sexual characteristics, etc. So now this is really what we're conjuring with now. This is the latest play, the latest set 2. This is the latest language of now. This is what is now evolving. So we've had transgender, we've had trans whatever, we've had intersex now. This is the new thing. So we have gender neutral is something that they are experimenting as well. But this intersex now, it seems like a natural state of being rather than something that you've actually had done to yourself by way of a surgery or whatever. But this is really a new development to me, and I'm pretty sure it will be a new development to a lot of you. So this is where we are, intersex. That's the new term that we're conjuring with in Nigeria. So what say you? What gender are you? Are you male, female, or the new one now, intersex? So check yourself and let me know in the comment section exactly what you are. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, where I shall tell you fully that I am full male of Oyoalafin origin. That I can tell you for certain. But whatever you are, you can come tell me in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Come have that conversation with you in the comment section. But before you come have that conversation with me in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, the bell button so you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. Then let's come have sort of a conversation around this new topic, which I'm not quite sure what to make of, so you can perhaps educate me on it. So come give me an education in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I'll say peace.